Hi, this project is about avoiding scheduler vulnerability attacks in QoS application dynamic cloud. Now let us see the demo for this project. The first step is to open the NetBeans and open the project from the drive where we have stored. And that's the step. Now open the project. Yeah, so our project is Cloud QoS. Thus it's open now. Then the next step is to run the project. Just right click the Cloud QoS name and select the option run. The project is being run now. So the output will be open in the browser screen. So this will be the web page screen shown to both the customer and the provider. The new clients could register their new accounts by using the register tab, which is present right above. So as usual, it gives his username, password, email address, and mobile number. Here I use Ganesh as a username and my appropriate password and my desired email address, of course. And then mobile number. And now click register button. And thus the user has been registered. Now he's ready to request for resources from the admin. The user uses his login page to request his resources. So this is the dashboard provided to the user, the client side. He could use the user requirement tab to give his user requirements and then with the needed name specifying the resources names. Fill in the applications, the name of the user, company name of software, number of users, number of software. Here, since it's a demo, we have used Notepad as a resource, and the request has been sent successfully. Now to see on to the provider side, that is the admin side. This will be the admin login page. So the admin logins and uses his user requirement to see the request received from the clients. So according to this, the username is Ganesh, company name CTS, Notepad exe is the software requested, number of user session is 2, and he grants a wish. So now let's see on the client side. So the provider, by using the provider response tab, the user could see that the client admin has accepted his request. The client could see his user profile. It just gives information about the requested software, number of sessions, and the other hardware, software versions and configurations are used in his system. Then this is the alert tab where the user is alerted when his session has been overused. This is the admin side. The admin side uses this tab to monitor the status of the client. So since by now no resources used, the sessions count has been 0, and so now one resource has been opened, that is notepad.exe. Now we could see the number of sessions getting updated now on the admin side monitoring. The number of session becomes 1 now. Now let us open for the second time and check now. So number of session becomes 2, and this will be opened the third time. Now let us see. We could see that the number of sessions has been exceeded by the granted limit. So the page notepad.exe is running more than 2 times. An alert message will be monitored on the admin side, and he sends an alert message to the client now to close any of his resources now immediately. So this will be the message received by the client. And besides these, the admin will be using an app to check out the process that is being run, and the the process ID of the resources being used by the client will be generated consequently side by side. He uses this process ID to abort the processes which has been overused by the client. For example, we could see now the process ID of the resources. In this we could see the several process IDs being generated for the many process that has been run at the client's system. So now I choose notepad this process ID 214640. I'm sorry. So once I click action, the corresponding process will be aborted on the user side. You could see that now just 2 notepad has been run. The number of session becomes 2 right now. So this is all about the project avoiding scheduler vulnerability attacks in QoS application dynamic cloud. Thank you.